Hi everyone, this is Horma Garden Plant Lover. Today I'm going to introduce the grow lights I am using currently. I use several types of bulbs and mainly these three. This one is the largest one right here. And the brand is here. This is a quite expensive bulb. I have two of these, and the second type is this one. This is MRJ 7165 65 brand. It's right here. And the third type is right here, MRJ 4062. And the outside looks here, and the brand is Pathanor. Awesome, Pathanor. This one doesn't say anything on outside. This one doesn't write the brand. And the other one I have used is this one. This is more of like an office light. It's right here. I don't see any brand name in this one. These are all from Amazon, and this one is like a table light, and you can bend it and arrange it. Also, this it has a USB drive thing. I don't know what it is called. Basically you can take it to the office and you can attach it to your computer and use it in the office too. This is another good light. I grew my strawberries with this one last year, so I attach this iPhone charger thing here and use it in this way. I also have this one right here, but it is gonna be my first year using it, so I really cannot say anything about it. I cannot recommend it at this moment, but this is another it could be another office grow light too. Now I'm gonna show how they work. I use 4 of these in a light boxes. It's this one is a very affordable one, and when you squeeze this side here, and it opens and closes, so you can attach it to anywhere you want. Also, I use one of the reading lights to hold the light bulbs, grow light bulbs. Now I'm going to show how these lights work. First I'm going to introduce this one. This one has a switch over here. When you put it to the 0 sign here, it switches off, and this one right here increases the light, decreases the light, I'm sorry, and this side, these two lines increases the light, so you can arrange the amount of light you want to give to the to your seedlings. And also this one has a clipper here to attach it to the edge of the desk. And let me turn this on. This is how much light it gives in a low light. This is how much light it gives in a increased light with this one. Low light, higher light. There is definitely a difference between lower and higher light. This is a good quality product. As I said before, I grew my strawberries with them last year. This one right here is a very high quality light bulb, but the thing is, with this one, the light cavities are very large in this one, so this is mainly focuses on one center. So let's say if you have a one pot of plant and you need a strong light only for one pot, this would be good for you. I attached this large bulb over here, and I hope I will be able to show you how it works. See, this is how this grow light works. It only focuses the light on one spot, and the other side of my seedlings do not get light. So this is like I said, if you have a one pot of plant and if you need the strong light on them, this is a good for you. Otherwise, this it is not that useful for the for like seed starting like I did here. So if I want to use this one, I have to rearrange my seedlings once a while every day. I attached this one right here. This is MRJ 7165. This is a good light for seed starting. It has a powerful spectrum, and also it gives a wide range of light to the seedlings. And let me show you how it works now. As you can see here, it doesn't fox the strong light on one spot. Instead, it gives the gentle light to all over the pot here. So if I use this one, I don't need to use anything else, or I don't have to rearrange my seedlings. I just can use it as it is. Now I attached my MRJ 4062 full spectrum light bulb, and it works similarly to the previous one. It also gives a wide range of light to the seedlings. Yeah, here it is. It just it focuses a little bit on here, but these sides also get a lot of light, as you can see from my hand. If I put my hand here, it gets a lot of light. This is my light box, and this is how I use my light bulbs. It has the box has aluminum foil all over it, and then I put my seedlings inside it, and then I put that bulb over there, and it gives a smooth light all over the box. And I close it, so it really doesn't bother you during the day or night, and it just works in this way for me. From my experiences, the only light bulb I would not recommend you is this one. This is a complete trash. My whole box of seedlings went to compost because of this particular light. Even I wrote down no and put X on it, not to use it anymore. This is from Amazon too. I don't have a brand of this one, but this is how it looks. And if you see it, just run away from this one. And usually when I use my grow light, I keep them on for like 12 to 14 hours, I think. Basically, I turn them on in the morning and turn them off before I go to bed, so it makes a little bit more than 14 hours, but that is a average average number of hours I give light to my seedlings. I hope this video would help you with your seed starting and choosing lights, and let me know if you have any questions, or if you have any comments, or if you have any other grow light recommendations. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Happy gardening!